maximum. Now I'll show you the data of a lead generation campaign as well. See, if you look at here, this particular ad got how many leads? 70. Lead form. How much amount they spent? 46. Daily how much they spent? 200 rupees. If you click on breakdown here, you can see by placement. From which placement you got that lead, on which day you got that lead, from which age you got that lead, from which country you got that lead. Depth mein reporting you can see. Now, I'll select this ad set, campaign, then I'll go to ad set. Now there are how many ad sets? 2 ad sets. Sorry, 4 ad sets. Advantage place audience, 3 they got. Original audience, 13 they got. Which is performing well? No. You cannot say until and unless you call the rate. Depends on lead quality. For them, I think they got 1-2 quality leads also for lead campaign. Let's say I'll select this one and I'll go for ads. They have only one ad and they showed this ad. If you see this ad, they edited the ad, they showed the ad, they did it as like a live campaign. Now this is what the leads are, 13 leads. If you just click on download, then locations, select whatever the location that you have selected. You have to click on next and you have to download it. The reason it's not showing is that our campaign is very old. It's an outdated campaign, that's why it's not showing. Directly you can download the campaign from here. It will be downloaded in an Excel file with this direct. And one thing is that something called audience overlap. I'm telling you that you have to experiment how many audiences, at least 5 to 10 audiences. Let's say you're experimenting 5 audiences. Okay. When you're experimenting 5 audiences, audience 1 you have created, audience 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any possibility that this audience and this audience might be same?
Yes.
Yes. After creating these types of audiences, what you have to do is, in your audience manager, you have to select 2 audiences. Or 3 or multiple you can select. Click and click on show audience overlap. Here it will show you, is your audience getting overlapped or not. See, now it's not showing because there are less than 1000 people. I'll see another in this live ad. So it will show you the percentage. How much percentage of audience is getting overlapped? It should be less than 5%. If 100% of the audience is getting overlapped, there is no point of creating 2-3 audiences. Let's try this one. AC is okay? Multiple audiences from here.
Okay.
Sir, HFN is कोई देगा आपका?
Select. Yeah, HM का भी है. Click on 3 dots, then show audience. See, 90% of your audience is getting overlap. It means same audience you are creating by creating different audience. HM version का. Okay, so let's say Ajil's 2 audiences, audience 1, audience 2. 3 dots, show audience, overlap. See, 78% of the audience is getting overlap. It means whatever the audience you have created, both are
Same.
78%. It should be always less than how much? 5%.
Less than 5%.
Yeah. मतलब if the
Must have
audience is
filtered
getting
them.
overlap, there is no point of creating 2 audiences.
Okay.
Same लोगों को 2 audience पे डाल देना.
अच्छा अच्छा okay
So always you have to differentiate.
okay.
Okay. What is custom audience? People who already interacted with your business. Tell me how people can interact with your business.
Clicks.
Just click and fill the form.
Click and fill the form, sir.
But they can interact by form and
Message.
Website
They can
is-
click on your ad and
Message.
they can message you
Hmm.
and
Call.
they can call or they can visit your
Website.
website. You know how to create a remarketing audience in Google Ads?
Hmm.
Audience manager. What we need to do? Give our landing page, remove, and send it. Now if I click on create audiences, click on custom audiences. Google may have only one option, website, YouTube channel, that's it. 2-3 options we have. But here how many options we have? Your social media options, meta sources may have 8 options. Your sources are nothing but the platforms that are not owned by Meta, that are owned by you. Example, your website, your app, your catalog, your customer list and your offline activity. Meta sources, video, lead form, instant experience, shopping, Instagram profile, events, Facebook page and if you want to run ad, to show your ad to your Instagram followers, you can do that. If someone liked your reel, if you want to show them the ad, you can do that because they interacted with your content. Now from all this, tell me which one you want to see. One is your sources, one is Meta. Which one you want me to show? One common will see website first. I'll select website, then I'll click on next. Then, see it's saying that pixel is not integrated. First we need to integrate the
Pixel.
Okay, we'll see for any other ad account. Here we'll see. Create audience, custom, website. Done. Now this is a pixel. These are dummy pixels only. What are the events? You want to take all website visitors, people who visited specific web pages, or page view or read visitor by time spent. Which one should I select? People who visited a specific web page. In how many days? Let's say I want to take in last 30 days. URL, what should I take? Equals. Which URL should I paste here? Landing page URL. Copy the URL. Paste it. Done. If I click on exclude people, now which URL should I enter here? Contains, equals. Which URL should I exclude?
Thank you.
Thank you. People who visited. Thank you. Right? Scroll down. Write your audience name, then click on create audience. Just like what you did in Google Ads, same thing you did in Meta Ads. People who visited your web page but did not visit, thank you. That's it. Then close. See, this is what the audience that I have created just now. Who visited this particular page, excluded who visited a thank you. Got it? Clear? Any doubts? Now there are a lot of options. So customer list, watch your videos in your Instagram. You can target. If someone visited your Instagram profile, let's say I want to target people based on Instagram profile. I'll click on it. I'll click on next. Now it's asking which Instagram profile audience you want to create. These are all the Instagram accounts which are connected to my, which I have access to. Let's say I'll take some questions. What type of people you want to target? People who started following this professional account. See, includes people who started following this Instagram professional account. People who unfollow your Instagram account will be removed. It means your Instagram followers for you want to show that. You can do that. People who engage with this professional account includes people who visited this profile or took an action on this post or ad, such as like, comment, save, but they did not follow you. It means maybe people liked any one of your posts, any one of your reel, any one of your ad. You can retarget them. People who visited this professional accounts profile. This includes everyone who visited the Instagram professional account profile regardless of action they took. They did not click anywhere, they did not do anything, but they visited your
Profile.
profile. People who engage with any ad or post. Includes people who took any action on post or ad, such as like, comment, carousel, swipe or see. Even if they swipe your carousel, you can retarget them.
Hmm.
People who sent a message to this professional account. Includes people who sent a message to the Instagram profile. Not people who are chatting with you. You can show that. People who saved any post or ad. If anyone have saved any one of your posts, you can show them that. Is it good? Which one is the best option from here? People who engage with this professional account or people who visited this professional account. It means it will target people who visited the professional account but did not follow you. What you can do? Run an engagement campaign, target these people. It will take from how many days you want? 365 days. Do you think people will remember you for 365 days? Let's take 30 days. In last 30 days, people who visited your Instagram profile, show them that again. Now the possibility got increased because they already visited your profile, they already know who you are.
Hmm.
If you try to sell now, possibility of conversion is more. If you are asking them to follow, possibility of followers are more. Got it? How do you write the audience name then?
Retargeting.
IG visitors or Instagram profile visitors, however you want to write, but according to this you should write what is the event you have selected and then click on create audience.
Create audience.
Now who started following this professional account? People who are following this professional account. Again you can show them that. Clear? This again I tell you lookalike and all. Got it? One I have shown you from website, one I have shown you from Instagram. Done. Now, app activity should have an app. Offline, मतलब people should visit your store and all. Catalog is nothing but e-commerce. You have an app called Catalog here. Accordingly, you can target. This is good. Customer list. Let's say you got 1000 leads. Okay. After getting 1000 leads, only 100 people got converted. 900 people did not get converted. But this time you have their name, your email ID and their mobile number. You can take that name, email ID, mobile number, you can give it to Google again, give it to Meta again. But then you can upload the data of the users and the ad will be directly shown to that people. I'll select customer list, I'll click on next. I'll download a file template. Now this is the template. In this there is no Excel, that's why it's showing in CSV. If you open this template, there will be different columns. Name, email, mobile number, customer value, lot of things. Three things are mandatory. Name, email and mobile number. If they have Facebook with the same mobile number, that will be shown. Or same email ID, that will be shown. You have to edit this. You have to open this file and you have to edit the file. Once the file is edited, click on next. You have to upload the file. Choose file. Let's say as of now I upload the same file. Done. Then what type of audience is this? Engaged audience, customer audience or other audience? According to that we can select. Let's say engaged audience we can select because they came to our business. They are our disqualified leads. Matlab they came but they did not convert. Done. Next. Here it will show you the format. Just click on import and create. Done. See, this is the audience that I have created. I have uploaded the data of till now, but now I did not upload. I downloaded the file, same file I have uploaded. You just have to edit the file. Add there your gigs ka name, email and mobile number. Got it? This is what about your by custom audience. If you go to video, if I click on next, choose the engagement type. People who have viewed at least 3 seconds of your video, who have viewed 10 seconds of your video, 15 seconds of your video,
Okay.
25% of the video, 50% of your video, 95% of the video. Let's say if you select this. If you want to select the video also, which video? Let's say for example, Facebook page se you want to take or Instagram account se you want to take. Instagram. From here I'll take HM Fashions. Done. Now let's say 279 likes, it means the video performed well. 279 views. Select. I can select multiple videos also. Confirm. Now which audience is this? The audience who watched this video,
95%.
95% of them. Is it good?
No.
Very good option. Meta will give you very good results if you play with the audiences. We did one campaign. What type of audience was that? Cold, hot or warm?
Cold.
Which audience is this?
Cold. Warm.
Hot
Cold.
or possibility of warm?
Warm.
It means they already know you. If they saw 90% of the video, it means they are interested in your business.
Okay.
You just have to retarget them.
Okay.
If you click on edit videos, let's say if you select multiple videos, see this selector, this video also select. Confirm. Now these two videos people saw at least 95% of the time, or at least 50% of the time, or at least 10% of the time. Got it? You can retarget them again. In how many days? You should take not more than 30 days, because before 30 days people don't even remember you.
Okay.
Or if you take
15
10
days.
days also, people might remember. What is the audience name you write? People who watched my videos in last
10
10
days.
days. Create. See, it's asking to create a lookalike, another saved audience and custom audience. Lookalike we'll see again later. Clear? Similar options we'll have for Facebook page, how they have interacted, lead form, how they have interacted and all. See. Lead form I'll select, I'll click on next. You know what is a lead form? If you want to target people who opened this form, everyone will be targeted and click on your ad. People who opened the form but did not submit the form. People who opened the form and submit the form. Which one will target? Who opened the form but did not submit the form?